I'm going to show you how you can make money simply selling Gmail accounts, and we are using for this video we're gonna use Pico Workers and Epic NPC, and I'm gonna show you. So first of all, you need to have account, and simply if you don't have, just go to fill out all your details and just click sign up. Okay, once you're logged in to your account, you're gonna be on this main page. Now I'm gonna blur this. I posted some of these jobs, and if you I didn't mention, if you don't know what is Pico Workers, basically you post a job and others are doing that job that you posted, right? And how we're gonna do this is simply we're going to post a job and just click post a job, and now scroll down and just go international, apply and go next. Now, as I brought up, we're going to sell Gmail accounts. Now for this, select how just sign up, because in simple sign up, and just enter your job title, create Gmail accounts, Gmail accounts, create Gmail accounts. And now step one is to, first of all, I recommend to say go to incognito and create fresh Gmail account, and just put account, password and Gmail, like that. And just proof, you can just text, choose it like put password and Gmail, and you can just text proof, and just go to scroll down and go to apply and go next. And now here's the math. Workers will earn $0.080 you're gonna pay. And now now head over to Epic NPC, as I mentioned, and just go to Gmail. Here sell those Gmail accounts, and you can go to and here just type it also Gmail, and you can sell Gmail accounts. Now just click on that, and here people also Gmail accounts, you can see $0.25. Thing is, as many workers as you do, like 500,
We'll
and
scale all
you
day,
sell
all
it
night.
for 0.070, and you sell it for, just pull up my calculator, and you can, as 500 multiply with 0.25 is $125, and you're paying $38. So see, in the long run, this, as here $0.25, in the long run you can earn some money. This person is $0.85. Where is it? Here is a little bit more expensive, and yeah, but and you can earn some money. And by doing that, of course you're not gonna get rich and something like that, but you can simply earn some good amounts of passive income, right? So, and to follow my channel, this is the basically, I deleted the first video that is 1 hour long, and I deleted it because I wanted to separate all these parts in different videos and to make it a little bit better, and so I separate them, and now this is the first part of this video, and you can now explain it a little bit quicker and I think more precise, and how you can make money in this way. So I deleted it so you can in the future see all these videos that 1 hour plus long, to make it more better and shorter. So yeah, that is for this video, and I hope you find a value in this video. And I want to tell you just these sites, there is not just you can do it on pick workers, but there is 2 more sites that I can suggest you, and it is micro workers and rapid workers. So I signed up for these rapid workers, and it's basically the same like pico workers and micro workers, but I never use this micro workers. So I just go to register and just fill out all your details and submit, and I think usually they're gonna email verification, and yeah. So and you can just do it as, you know, post a job, make some deposit, post a job, and I don't know about the prices, but just want to recommend you, there's a micro workers if you didn't heard about micro workers. And rapid workers, just go to sign up now, and or fill out all your details, and you probably, if you watched my videos in the previous videos, I showed you about rapid workers and some methods how you can use it to earn money. That is the basically method that you can sell to this player app and Epic NPC. And I hope you find a value in this video, and see you in the next video.